Hello, I'm Mrs. Lew. Today we're going to look at this maths question. Expand and simplify the following. A. We need to expand this one. 3p minus 7q multiplied by 2p plus 5q. Okay, so we need to expand them one by one. So 3 times 2p, 3 times 2 is 6, so it's 6p squared. Then 3p times 5q, both are plus times plus. So we'll have 15pq. 7 times 2, 14pq. Negative times positive, so this is negative. And the last one, negative times positive, is negative. So 5 times 7 is 35q squared. So we simplify 6p squared. 15 minus 14 is 1, so it's plus pq. And the remaining, which is this one over here, negative 35q squared. Okay, B. We will have 3m minus 4 squared. Okay, for this one, you will need to recap one of your formulas. And the formula is a minus b squared. Do you remember this formula? You need to know that this one is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, good, you got it. Okay, so now we'll apply this inside here. So we'll have 2, okay, a squared, so it's 3 times 3, so it's 9m squared minus 2a, this is a and this is b, plus, okay, remember this is a plus, b squared. 4 times 4 is 16. So we'll have 9m squared minus 2ab. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. M plus 16. Okay, now you multiply in the 2. 18m squared minus 2 times 24, so it will be 48m plus 32. The signs do not change because this is positive. Okay, so we have expanded them. Okay, now for the last one, C. Okay, let's use another color. C, this one is x minus 2, x plus 2, and we have x squared plus 4. Okay, you notice that this x plus 2, x plus 2, x minus 2, okay, x plus 2, x minus 2, there's a formula for it, right? So what is the formula? Can you recall? Yes, correct. A squared minus b squared. This will be a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so this is the same here. Okay, so you apply it here. This is a and this is b. So you'll have x squared minus 2 squared. Bracket x squared plus 4. Okay, I just copied this one down. Okay, let me simplify this one first. So this is x squared minus 4. And this is x squared plus 4. So again, you see this is actually similar to this one over here. So I apply this formula again. So it's actually x squared minus 4 squared. So it's x to the power 4 minus 16. Okay, that's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.